Hello friends, I am Pratiksha and today I am going to present my speech here which is about gratitude. Gratitude is called the ornament of human beings. It is a kind of attitude and it is said the best attitude. And also gratitude means being thankful to others about their help, about the work that they have done for you. Gratitude is like the fairest blossom which springs from the soul. And this is the very useful habit that you will have to apply in your behavior. And gratitude has come from the Latin word gratus, which means thankful. It makes one thoughtful, and the person with gratitude found to be more social than other people in society. And the grateful person is a source of inspiration for the society. And also, if someone shows sympathy to us, we should show our gratitude to that person. Gratitude is key of satisfaction, and satisfaction means happiness. In Vedas, gratitude is said the ornament of human beings, and I think that gratitude holds almost importance of happiness because it provides happiness. It is never seen but experienced by the heart, from the heart. And mainly our elders tells us to keep politeness etc. in our work, keep honesty in our work. It is truth, but there's a small difficulty in it that our hope doesn't finish. The list of our hope doesn't finish anytime. So we stay unhappy, unsatisfied, and we do only complain in our life. As everyone compare themselves, as Sakshi told us, and also everyone complain to the God that why did you make me black, or why did you make me so tall or so short, and why did you make me dull in studies? But why people doesn't think that they are alive, they are enjoying their beautiful life. It may be short or long, but our life is so beautiful. We are enjoying our life, then why are we unhappy? And also, instead of comparing and instead of complaining, you should think that God gave me 2 legs to go anywhere. I can go anywhere as I wish. God gave me 2 hands to write, to work, a tongue to express my emotions and talk with others, and especially a mind to understand everything, 2 eyes to see the world, and we are free to do whatever we want. Then why are we unhappy? Once you learn to behave with gratefulness, then you will live a satisfied life. And you have 2 ways to thinking. First is complaining, and second is rejoicing. As you can complain that rose bushes have thorns, and you can rejoice as thorns have roses. Then if you think as a first way is complaining that rose bushes have thorns, then you will be unhappy. But when you think that thorns have roses, then it will make you happy. It's all up to you that how you will think. And a grateful heart is like a magnet. It can attract everything that you deserve. From childhood, our parents teach us to say thank you to others about their help, etc. And you can say it a part of good manners or a part of discipline. But as we become some years old, everyone in our friend circle, in our society, in our contract family, try to do something for us, but we forget to say thank you. And because of this habit, people go away from us, and our relationship becomes weak. But if we behave gratefully, then everyone will give you respect and love. And feeling gratitude and not expressing it, it is like wrapping your present and not giving it. So if you feel gratitude about anything, then please express it, because if you behave with gratitude, then everyone think that you have respect in your mind about others, about elders, and you are honest. Gratitude shows you are these habits, so it is so important. And also, our mind has a lot of power. It is like a superpower. As if we are positive, then only good things happens with us, and when we are negative, then only worse thing happens with us. It is like a superpower, and it is scientifically proven that our mind's thinking effect on the work that we are doing while thinking. So think positive, and only good things will happen with you. And also, your present situation is not your final destination. The best is yet to come. So don't be negative about that. I did not respect teachers, so teachers scold on me, etc. The best is yet to come. Gratitude is only a smart part of your behavior, but it has the power to attract everything that you deserve. And if you are grateful, then invisible blanket of peace covers you. It makes you glow. It makes you happy and strong.